Hey, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a VM using the Nutanix aCLI. So, to start out, the first thing we'll want to do here is we'll want to SSH into the Nutanix CVM. Right now, I'm logged in as the Nutanix user. And once we establish that SSH connection, the first thing we're going to want to do is run the aCLI command. Once we have that, we're logged in as the Acropolis user. You can see here, we're going to want to do a vm.create, and then the next piece here is going to be the name of our VM. So I'll just call it testvm. Then we'll want to add a number of vCPUs. And in this example, we'll just add 2 vCPUs. Then we'll do number cores per vCPU. We'll select that equal to 1. And then lastly, we'll do memory equals 8G. Hit enter, and then we'll see that the test VM was complete. That operation was complete. So that now that we have the base VM, the next thing we want to do is assign our VM NIC. So for that, we can type in vm.nic underscore create. Then we enter the name of the VM, so testvm. And then we enter network equals primary. That's the name of the primary network that I have set up in Nutanix Prism right now. So we got the operation, the NIC create was completed. Now I'm going to do a vm.disk underscore create for testvm. Then I'm going to do a clone of a CentOS 7 image that I have. So I'll add the clone from image, and then is going to be equal to CentOS 7.qcal2. All right, the disk create is also complete. Now I'm just going to add another disk here that's just going to be like a data disk. So I'm going to run that same vm disk underscore create for testvm. Then we're going to assign it to the default storage container. Enter bus equals scsi. And then we'll do a create size. Let's just do 5G. All right, that's complete as well. The next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to run a vm.on and then testvm. It's going to start up our VM. And once that VM is started up, a couple more things I wanted to kind of show you guys with the CLI. Is we could take a snapshot. So I can do vm dot snapshot underscore create, and then we'll do testvm. We'll do snapshot name underscore list equals testvm. We'll just call this snap1. All right, now we have the snapshot. Another cool thing that we can do is we can do a VM clone. So vm.clone testvm. Then if I enter a bracket, I'll do 01, 05. And then we'll do clone from snapshot equals testvm snap1. All right, and this is going to create us an additional 5 copies of that VM, and then we can do a vm.on testvm star, and we can start all those VMs. So that was just a quick little video of how to create a VM using the Nutanix aCLI. We talked about how to create the initial VM, add disk to that VM, establish that network connection, and then power on the VM as well. Thanks for listening, and have a good day, everyone.